What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mo. Today we're doing a battery change on a Toyota Prius Smart Key. So this Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this release right here, and that'll allow this key to slide out like that. Now, if you can notice, there's a little bit of a lip on this key, and that's what we're going to use to get the shell of this remote apart. If we look down where we just took the key out of, let's see if the camera will pick it up. There's a little slot right in here. And what we want to do is we're going to stick the key all the way in that slot, and then we're going to twist it like this. So put the key in that slot, make sure you have it all the way in there, and then twist. That's going to pop the shell apart just a little bit, and go ahead and pull the back off. And now we can see our battery right here. And what I like to do is, if you grab yourself a small flathead screwdriver, even something with a point, there's this little cutout right here, and it'll allow you to get under the bottom of that battery to get it out. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up like that. Snap the back on. Put our emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.